Hello and welcome to the Central Massachusetts Podiatry Newsletter for June 2021. What we're going to go over today is a question we get all the time from our patients. What door do you go in Westboro? Then we're going to share, we're really excited about having some ChiRunning and ChiWalking workshops at our office. And there's going to be a little video that Dr. Feldman is going to interview Mark Waxman. And then you're going to see kind of attached here on the top, you're going to see an interview with Mark Waxman I did a little bit ago. So if you want to kind of meet a little bit Mark before you come in for the Chi workshops, and then a little bit more about the true form runner. The purpose of the ChiRunning would be proper form so that you can use the true form runner. Okay, so once again, here is our location in Westboro. It's 24 Lyman Street. This is kind of the back entrance, kind of where you're looking at some of the shops behind there. That's where you enter in, and our office is right here to the right. If you come in the other entrance, you're going to have to walk all the way through, and you're probably going to get lost. But this is the correct entrance here for 24 Lyman Street for our Westboro, and this is actually where we're going to have the ChiRunning instruction that's coming up later on this month. There's an interview that I did with Mark a while back. I'm going to include a little link. You're going to see it up top for that. You can kind of watch that. Also, there is another interview I'll put in the description below about ankle movement exercises that Dr. Feldman did with Mark. So Mark is a good friend of Central Mass Podiatry. We really think you're going to like it because we see a lot of runners and walkers. Even if you are a runner, it would be good for you to do the walking course. And also, if you're a walker, you could do the running course. Okay, we've sent that out in email as well. This is the true form runner that we have during the course. You can try it out or after at another time to see how your form is. And I think you're really going to like it. So I'm going to conclude here now with a little bit of an interview that Dr. Feldman did with Mark about the course that we'll be having soon. So once again, we look forward to seeing you here in the office, and thank you, and have a great rest of the day. Here's the interview.
Introduce everybody to Mark Waxman. He is a ChiRunning instructor. We're going to be holding some clinics in a few weeks here at the office in Westboro. And hopefully the weather's going to be this nice, but I'd like Mark to say a few words about the clinics, both ChiWalking and ChiRunning, and describe what people are going to be signing up for.
Yeah, thanks. ChiRunning and ChiWalking really are all about moving efficiently and preventing injury. And in a series of lessons that really anyone can do, regardless of what your habits are around walking or running, gradually lead people to effectively use the way their body was really designed to work. So we're going to do 2 1.5 hour to 2 hour sessions, one focused on ChiWalking and then the other focused on ChiRunning, with ChiRunners coming to the walking part as well. And Dr. Feldman, you have used ChiRunning yourself. You want to talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, in 2009, I broke my pelvis in 2 places, coming off of a 2008 year in which I qualified for the Hawaii Ironman. I thought I was invincible, and I wasn't. Just bad form, bad mechanics, and trying to push myself too hard. My pelvis broke in 2 spots, and I almost ended my running career. So I figured there had to be a different way. I found ChiRunning. I read the book. I had personalized instruction from one of the instructors, and every single day out I tried to do it, and I worked at it, and it was great. And 6 months later, it actually clicked amazingly during the Boston Marathon around mile 18, and the last 8 miles of that race were completely effortless. I actually put another 65 miles in that week, and I ended up running my first 100-mile run less than a year after my injury. And really, I owe a lot to just the simplicity of ChiRunning and just sort of slowing things down. I actually ended up running a fast Boston Marathon that year without any speed work, just because I had the efficiency down from the method, and just changing to a more efficient style. So I'm a huge believer. I'm a huge fan. I think the patients that I see with running injuries, walking injuries, walkers, runners, it doesn't matter. The key is moving efficiently, and it's what certainly helped me, and this is what I'm hoping that you'll bring to our patients.
I would just leave you with this thought of, it sounds like learning ChiRunning was a gift to you. And that's how I feel about it. Learning it was a gift, and it's a gift I like giving to other people because it can really change your life. And please feel free to email if you have any questions or to register. Thanks.